Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? I can't hear you, Annie. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
all right.
Good evening, sir.
All right. Now you're audible. Earlier you were not audible. Right. Okay. Now I can hear you. So we will be continuing from the last session, right?
Yes,
We were
sir.
something based on rupees and paisa, right?
Yes, sir.
So today we will be learning to convert rupees. Okay. Converting the money into rupees, right? Converting the money in rupees to paisa. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let us take some examples and then we will be working on them.
Okay, sir.
All right. So first of all, what is that? Converting rupees into paisa,
Okay, sir.
right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let us take some examples. Okay. And
Okay.
yeah, can you see some example?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So taking the first one, that is 6.90. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, 6.90. First of all, before converting them, we shall know that 100 paisa, right? 100 paisa equals to 1 rupee. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, because this is very necessary. Though paisa we don't use, okay, but it should be, yeah, we should know this. This is very necessary concept. Okay, right?
Okay, sir.
So 100 paisa equals to 1 rupee. So half a rupee equals to how many paisa?
Okay, sir.
I'm asking, right? 1 rupees
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to 100 paisa, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if we half the rupee, if we take half a rupee,
Okay, sir.
if we take a half rupee, right? So what should be done? We have to take a half of 100 paisa this side also, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Of 100. So how much is half of 100? Can you find it? Half of 100 means 100 is divided by 2 parts, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So how much is the answer when we divide 100 by 2? Can you find it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please do it.
I'm done, sir.
So how much is the answer?
50, sir.
50. Okay, good. It is 50 paisa. Got it? So if somebody is asking you how much is half a rupee, then how much will you say?
50.
Yes, it is 50 paisa. Okay. Now what we had to do, we had to convert this rupee, right? If we have, suppose that we have, just a minute, 1 rupee, right? 1
Yes, sir.
rupee equals 100 paisa. If I take 2 rupees, then how many paisa it will be? If I take 2 rupee, how many paisa it will be? Mhm.
90.
Yes, Ali.
98, sir.
98. Okay, right. So you're doing like you're subtracting. But suppose that, see, 1 rupee equals to 100 paisa. So 2 rupees equals to how many paisa? It should be double, right? Because
Yes.
1 rupee is getting doubled to 2 rupees.
Okay, sir.
So it should also get doubled, isn't it? The paisa
Yes, sir.
should get doubled, right? So this is 2 rupees. So 2 rupees equals to 100 multiplied by 2, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And how much is that? It is 100 into 2. What is the answer? Yes. Yes. How much is the answer?
200, sir.
200, right?
200, sir.
Okay. It is 200. So now tell me how much is 2 rupee. So we had done the answer. So 2 rupee equals to how many paisa?
200
Paisa,
paisa.
right? If I
Yes, sir.
take, yes, similarly, if I'm taking that 3 rupee, right? Or 4 rupee, let it be 4 rupees. So how much is 4 rupees in paisa?
In paisa, 400, sir.
400, right? So what did you do? You multiplied 4 with 100.
With 100.
Okay. And now,
Okay, sir.
if I have 19 paisa, so 19 rupee, right? So how much
Yes,
it will
sir.
be?
It will be
How many paisa the 19 rupee will have?
1900, sir.
1900. Good. It should be 1900 paisa. Right. That's good. Okay. See, if I take, just a minute, 6.90 rupees, right?
Yes, sir.
So how many paisa it will be?
It will be 900, 90, sir.
See, what we were doing, we were just multiplying the number, right? Isn't it? We were multiplying the given rupee with 100. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
This is what we were doing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us multiply this. 6.90 multiplied by 100. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Can you multiply this? Do you know how to multiply the numbers with decimals?
No, sir.
No? No problem. I'll teach you. So in this question, we will ignore that there is a decimal. At the end answer, we will put decimals after 2 places, right? So let us multiply 0 with every number. So what is 0 multiplied by 0?
0 multiplied by 0 is 0.
Again 0 multiplied with 9.
0 multiplied with 9 is 0.
0. And then 0 multiplied with 6.
Is 6.
0 multiplied with 6.
Okay, sir. 0.
0. And then again we put a cross mark here, isn't it? The normal multiplication goes on here. So decimal is not affecting our procedure. We will ignore the decimal for the time being, and then we will put the decimal at the end of the answer. Right?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let us do that then next. Again, we have a 0. So this whole 0 is over. And now take this 0. So similarly, we will get 3 zeros. Right?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, and 3. Again, put a cross mark for these 2 digits. This is how we do, right? You know the rule?
Yes, sir.
Mark. And then we will multiply 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
By 1 with 0 first. So what is 1 multiplied with 0?
1 is 0, sir.
0. Right? And then 1
Yes, sir.
multiplied with 9.
Is 0.
1 multiplied with 9.
1 multiplied with 9. 9 ones are 9.
9. Okay, it's 9. And then 1 multiplied by 6. This one.
Is 6.
1 multiplied by 6 is 6. Okay. It is again 6. Okay. So let us sum it up. We will add them, right? This is the procedure that normally we do. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how much it will be? Quickly add it and tell me.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the answer?
69,000, sir.
It is 69,000. Okay. So how many places are there after this decimal?
Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000 place.
No. We see this. I'm writing with green letter, right? Green color. So after dot, after the decimal, how many digits are there on the right side?
3 digits.
This is a dot, right? So how many digits are there in the right side after that?
Right side.
See, isn't it like 1 digit here, 9, and the 0 is another digit? So 2 digits are there, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we call them 2 digits. So again, we will put a 2-digit decimal after 2 digit in the answer, right? So this is the decimal we have put here. Can you see the decimal in red color?
Yes, sir.
So what is the final answer?
Answer is 69, 690.00.
690.00. So 00 after dot doesn't value, right? So
Yes, sir.
what we did, yes, what we did, simply to convert rupees into paisa? Right?
Yes, sir.
No, what it is. So what was the procedure? What is the first procedure that we did? So you have to speak, right? Otherwise you will forget.
Okay, sir.
What is the procedure? Tell me. On the screen it's there, right? So first what we did?
First we did multiplied.
Yes. We multiplied it with the number. What was the number that we multiplied with?
6.90 divided by 100.
Is it divided by? What is the symbol?
Symbol is divided.
No. See this. Is it the symbol for division? No. If it is the symbol for division, then what it is? The symbol. What is this symbol?
Divider.
This is the division symbol, right? This one.
Yes, sir.
And this is this in the box. This in the circle. Is a multiplication symbol, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we call it multiplication. Okay. So we multiplied 6.90 with
90 with 100.
100. So similarly, in any of the next questions, we will be doing that, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us complete few more questions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Give me a moment.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now can you see the screen? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the second question?
Second question is 9.78.
Yes, 9 points. Oh, no. So the second question. Second bit.
0.80.
Right. It is 0.80. So how to convert 0.80?
80.
Right.
Okay.
So this is how the rupee is given. 0.80 rupees into paisa. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What shall we do here? What shall we do here?
We have to multiply
Okay, good. We have to multiply. Which number?
with 100.
Okay, good. So we have to multiply the number 0.80 with 100, right? So this is what the procedure is, right? So find the answer.
Yes,
What is the final answer? Similarly, note the point first, okay? And then I will give you a shortcut trick. Without doing actual multiplication, you will be able to find the answer. Okay, but we should learn the long procedure. Okay.
Sir, can I write the answer, sir?
Sure. Sure. I'm asking you to find the last answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
0, 0, sir. 0.
First multiplying with
0, 0, 0, 0, sir. 0. Next. 0, 0, 0. 0. Okay. 1 zeros are is 1. one is 1 0 0 0.
So where have you reached?
I'm reaching it, sir.
Okay.
Zero 81.00, sir.
0 8.
81.
After that?
Point 0.00.
But that's a mistake. We had done a mistake somewhere because, okay, all right, everything is fine, but this zero, sorry, this one is extra. Zero should come here. I guess there is some mistake in addition or mistake in positioning. So how did you do that?
Okay.
Or revisit the answer.
I do like first one, sir.
See, but we have to start from the rightmost side, isn't it? From this zero.
Yes, sir. I
Okay.
also start like that only, sir.
Okay, so just a minute. So you wrote 0, 0, and 0 like this. Put across here. Again we have a 0. So again multiply 0 with 0 and then with 8 and then with 0, isn't it? So it comes 0,
0, 0.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Next to
Put a cross mark. Put a cross mark.
Okay, sir.
Then multiply 1. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Have to multiply this 1 with 0, with 8, and again with 0. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 1 multiplied with 0.
1 multiplied with 0 is 1.
Ah, that's the mistake. We had done this, right? So if we are multiplying 0 with 1, so what is the answer?
Is 0.
It's 0, right? So please do correct it. So that's the mistake we did. And 1 multiplied with 8.
1 multiplied with 8 is 8.
Is
8.
8 itself, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's add it now. What is the final answer? Sorry, and 1 multiplied with 0 is 0. Yes, find it out, the last answer.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. 0, 8, 0, point 0, 0.
What it is?
0, 8, 0, point 0, 0.
Good. So that is 80.00. This is the last answer. Right?
Sir? Yes, sir.
So now let us come to the next question. What is that? 11.60.
11.60.
No, it's not 60. What it was, I told you in the last class, right? I taught you that
60.
0. Yes, it is 11.60. Okay, so let us find this money in Paisa.
Okay, sir.
Yes, quickly find the answer and tell me.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sure. Start.
Sir,
Yes.
we have to write 11.60, huh, sir?
Yes, 11.60
Okay, sir.
in Paisa.
Okay, sir. Zero one the zero. Zero one the zero. 6 one the 6. 6 one the 6. Sir,
Yes.
6.60, sir.
Is it 6.60? But one is there, right? One is also there in the right, in the left side.
Yes, I do, sir. 0 1 the 0. 0 1 the 0.
Okay,
And
after
next,
that,
6 1 the 6. 6 1 the 6.
so what all do you do? First of all, you tell me. What is the first step that you do?
I do 11.60, sir.
Okay, 11.60.
And next, I 0 1 the
With multiplied with 11.60 multiplied with
multiplied with
100.
100. Yes, sir.
So yeah, now find out.
Zero, 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 sir, 0, 0, 0, 6 is 6. And next, 0, 1
6
is
is
0.
06 is
0, 6 is 6, sir.
okay. Then 1 6 are
1 6 1 6 is 6.
so is 06 and 1 6 are same?
No, sir.
No, right? So what it should be the answer?
0, 0, 6 is 0.
Okay, and 0 1s are
And 0 1 is 1.
again the same mistake. Anything multiplied with 0 is 0.
Okay, sir. 0, sir.
And 0 multiplied by 4.
0 multiplied with 4 is 0.
Okay.
One zeros are. Next, 1 zeros are. One zeros are is 0.
0.
Next,
Okay.
1 six are 6. 1 1 are 1.
1. Okay. And then afterwards, what we have to do? This is the step done.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. The answer is yes, sir.
Tell me, what is the answer?
116.000.
160.00.
000.
Okay, let us do it. Where we did the mistake, we'll find it out. Okay?
Okay.
0 multiplied by 0, 6, 1 and 1. It is 4 zeros, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me put 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Right? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Again, there is a 0.
Yes, I already do like that, sir.
Hmm?
I already do like that. 4 zeros.
You did like that. Again, 4 zeros.
I gain 4 zeros.
Okay, put a cross mark in
Yes,
2
sir.
places now.
Yes, sir. I'm put, sir.
Okay. And then multiply 1 with 0. So what is 1 0? The
1.
uh,
1
again
0 is 0.
0. So put 0. And then 1 6 are
1 6 are 6.
6. And then 1 1s are
1 1 are 1.
1 1s are.
1 1 are
Okay. Again 1 1s are.
1. 1 1 are 1.
Okay. Let us add it. So how much it should come? 0. Again 0. Again next.
0.
Okay. Then
And again 0.
no, look on the screen. Look at the screen. Next, how much is it?
And next.
How much is this addition?
6 are 6.
6. Okay. So it is 6. Just a minute. Just a minute. It is 6. Okay. And then 0 1s are, sorry, 0 plus 1, 1. And again, 1 is 1. Right?
Again 1 is 1.
Okay. So how much it is? 1 1 6 0 0 and 0. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, but in the question, how many zeros we have? Sorry, how many digits we have after the decimal?
We have 1 digit. 6 digits, sir.
No, not that, boy. After, where is the decimal? First of all, tell me.
Sir?
Yes, where is the decimal? Tell me.
That is multiply.
Not multiply. Where is the decimal? This is the decimal in the red color.
Oh, point, sir. Point.
Yes, that's a decimal. That's not a point. It is called a point. Okay, but it is called as a decimal, right? Point. So it is 11.60. So how many digits are there after the point? In the right side.
After the point, 2 digits.
2 digits. So here and also how we shall put decimal after 2 digits, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what is the final answer?
Final answer is 1160.000.
Okay. Good. So it is 1160. Now let us find out, okay, the amount of money that we will get from 7.11 rupees. Okay, in Paisa. This we have to do in Paisa. Find out 7
Okay, sir.
in Paisa. So in this way, we are learning the multiplication with decimal also. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
0 0 1 is 0 0, 0, 0, 0.
Okay.
And put wrong on 0 first digit, and let's take another 0. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 7, 0. And next put the digit 1 and the digit 2 wrongs, and put 1, 1, 1. Next 1, 1, 1, 1, 7, 7. And next we have to multiply 0. Okay, sir.
Okay, we are multiplying with
We are multiplying with 100.
okay, all right. 100. Okay.
And so
Okay, all right, all right. Tell me.
okay.
So what's the final answer?
Is final answer is 711.00.
7.
711.00.
Good. This is the final answer. Okay. So what is the change in the question and in the final answer? There is only a one change, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What is that change? Can you point out? There is a change in the position of decimal, isn't it? Rest the numbers are same. Isn't it? Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So where the decimal has moved? Decimal has moved
1.
2 positions.
Okay, sir.
Isn't it? This is the first position. Sorry, this is the initial position. This is the first position, and this is the second position. Isn't it? How many digits it has moved, right? It has moved 2 digits. Okay?
Okay, sir.
All right.
Okay, sir.
Now I'll give you one more question. It is 63. 63.97, okay, 4. Multiply it with 100.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
yes.
0, 0, 4 is 0. 0, 7, 0. 0. 0, 0, 6, 0. 1, 4,
Have you done?
no, sir.
No.
1, 4, 4. 1, 7, 7. 1, 9, 9.
Okay.
1, 3, 3.
Okay.
1, 6. And next we have to multiply.
Multiply with
Multiply with Hello.
Yes, yes. Can you see me?
Back.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you done?
No, sir.
All
I'm
right, continue.
thinking the answer, sir.
Okay, okay. If you can do this correctly, then I will get to know that you can multiply the numbers with decimals. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. I'm done, sir.
Done. So what's the answer?
6397 4
639.
4.00.
Okay, 639.
6397
Okay, 4.
and point
Okay, point 0.
00.
So can you tell me, how did you put the decimal? Did you count the number of digits?
Yes, sir.
So after how many digits there is a decimal in the question?
3 digits.
So after how many digits you have put the decimal?
2 digits.
So where the decimal should come now?
On 4.
Yes, before 4, right?
Yes, sir.
So what's the final answer then?
6397.400.
This point.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
0.00.
Okay. So you multiplied it correctly. But what we have to remember? We have to remember that we have to put a decimal after the digits equal to the digits given in the question. Okay?
Okay,
If
sir.
it is 3 digits in the question, then we put out the decimal after 3 digits. If it is 1 digit, then we have to put 1 digit after the 1 digit, we put the decimal. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So this is a concept. Okay. One concept that we had planned to discuss today. Now let us move to the next concept. Okay. That is about fares and tickets. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. So can you see my screen now? Oh, just a minute. Let's stop. Okay. Can you see now?
Yes, sir.
So what's there on the screen?
There is a boxes.
There's a box. Okay. All right. So just a minute. I will explain you. This is a railway track. Okay.
Okay,
And this
sir.
train is coming from, let me enlarge it. Okay. So what is the name of the station that the train is coming from?
Train is coming from
This station.
New
New Jalpaiguri, right?
Yes, sir.
So the name of the station is New Jalpaiguri. Okay, it's a northeastern city. And then it goes to New Mall. So they are stations, not boxes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. So after New Mall, what is that? Name of the station? Can you read it?
Station. This train goes from New Jalpaiguri to
See, New Jalpaiguri, then to New
New
Mall.
Jalpaiguri
Okay.
to GWI.
Just a minute. It is Guwahati. Okay, so the last station is Guwahati.
Okay,
So
sir.
Guwahati is in Assam.
Okay,
That's
sir.
a state. Okay, that's a northeastern state. So just remember the names. Don't worry where the stations all are. Then after Alipurdwar, what is the station? Golpura.
Golpala.
Golpara.
Golpala.
Golpara, right? So we have the
Yes, sir.
distance. We have the distance also with us. So what is the distance between New Jalpaiguri to New Mall? It's written there, right?
Yes, sir.
Between New Jalpaiguri to New Mall, it is 57 kilometers.
Yes, sir. 57 kilometers.
And after, between the New Jalpaiguri to Alipurduar, the distance is, yes, it's there on the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir. 175
kilometers, right?
kilometers.
So New Jalpaiguri to Alipurduar is 175 kilometers, and New Jalpaiguri to New Mall is 57 kilometers. So what is the difference? What is the distance between New Mall to Alipurduar? Now let us find it out. So we have to find
Okay,
the
sir.
New Mall to Alipurduar. Do you have any idea?
No, sir.
Suppose that I'm making a line. Okay. Can you
Okay,
see
sir.
the line on the screen?
No, sir. I'm seeing the boxes, the railway only, sir.
On the screen, yes,
Railway
side.
track.
Right side. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the length of the line?
Is
Mhm.
3 kilometers.
It is cm, 3 centimeters, right? So this is the, for example,
sir.
because now I'm not telling that to subtract it, add it, multiply it, because we have to apply this concept of multiplication, addition, subtraction into the real world problems, right? Suppose that
Yes.
you have gone to the ticket counter, then you will face the similar problems. So that's why if I give you the fast track solutions, then okay, you will do the questions, you will give the answers, but that's not the way. Okay, we will discuss how the operations, which operations are to be done at what places, right?
Yes, sir.
So, see, this line is 3 centimeters. Now I make another line. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so it is 2 centimeters. I know the length. Now, can you tell me the distance between this line to this line? If this line A is equal to line B, these two lines are equal, but I don't know the distance of this. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yes. Suppose that these two distances are same and I have traveled 2 units. Okay, then how much more distance I have to travel? From here to here.
5. 5.
Okay.
5 distance.
5.
5 distance, sir.
So I'll explain you once. Suppose that this is the length is 3 centimeters, right?
Yes,
The
sir.
length of the first line. And the second line is also the same. The length is 3 centimeters. But I know that till here it is 2 centimeters.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
But I don't know the length of this unit. Can you see the question mark?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you find the distance of that? What we have to do, I'll tell you. So we know that the total distance is 3, isn't it? So
Yes, sir.
can we subtract this much distance? Or
Yes, sir.
3 units, isn't it? This total is 3. You know that because on the top I have given you Total is 3. And till here on the screen, can you see the lines? It is 2. So the remaining distance is 3 minus 2. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the 3 minus 2? Answer?
Is 3 minus 2 is 1. One
One.
distance.
Okay, 1. So similarly, applying the same formula, let us find out, okay, the distance between New Mall to Alipurdwar. Okay, between New Mall to Alipurdwar, and what we are given? We are given that New Jalpaiguri to New Mall is 57 kilometers. Okay,
Okay, sir.
New Jalpaiguri to New Mall is 57 kilometers. And after that, New Jalpaiguri to Alipurdwar is 175 kilometers. So can we find out the distance between New Mall to Alipurdwar? So is it possible or not? Suppose that this starting point is same. So the total distance we have to cover is 175. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
On the screen, look it on the screen carefully. We have to cover 175 kilometers distance, right? It's there on the screen. Can you see it? Yes. And so far, suppose that I start from New Jalpaiguri and I reach New Mall. So how much distance have I covered?
Thank you.
One,
So 175 is
175 distance.
175 kilometers is the distance between New Jalpaiguri to Alipurdwar, right?
Yes, sir.
Till New Mall it is? Till New Mall. Can you see on where is New Mall?
New mall. New mall. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the distance between New Jalpaiguri to New Mall?
57 kilometers.
7, right? So to reach Alipurdwar, how much more kilometers have I walked? I have to walk how many more kilometers?
Okay, sir.
What shall we do here? Apply the same formula, same concept that we did in the last problem about the lines we discussed, right? So we will subtract the total distance 175, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll subtract 175 and 57. So it is like 50, sorry, let's joint. Okay, 57 from 175. So how much is the distance? Can you find out the answer?
17. Okay, sir. 175 minus 57.
Bring it. Bring here. Very good. Very good. Come on. Very good. Very good.
Yes, so what is the answer?
Answer is sir, 175 minus 57
Yes.
and 5 is on ones place. In the ones place, down is not there. That's why I put 5 and 7.
Just a minute. How shall we write this? I will tell you. 175, okay, minus, start from the right side. So it is 57. Like this, have you written first of all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So to complete the digits, put 0 in the left side.
Okay, sir.
And then do that.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Go. Which one? Okay. Yeah.
8, 6, 5. Okay, sir.
Yes. So what is the answer?
0, 1, 8, sir.
0, 1, 8. So there is a mistake somewhere. Can you find it out?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
7.
So can you orally tell me how did you do?
First, I take 5. We cannot do 5 fingers with 7.
Okay,
And
we
I
can do that.
And next, I borrow 1 from 7.
Okay, so 7 became.
And it will be 15.
Okay, it will be 15. All right.
15
Okay.
minus 7.
15 minus 7. So what is 15 minus 7?
15 minus 7 is 8. And,
And then afterwards?
and here 6. And
Minus 5.
6 minus 5 is 1.
Okay, good. 6 minus 5 is 1. But okay, all right. And then afterwards?
1.
Down. Keep it down.
1, keep it down.
Bring it down.
Uh,
118 answer.
118, sir.
Yes. So you got where the mistake is?
On first,
You left 100 place 1.
I left 100 place 1, sir.
Okay, yes. So 1 minus 0 is 1, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's how you have to correct the mistakes. All right. Similarly, let us do one more problem. So 118 is the distance between New Mall to Alipurdwar, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Got it now? Okay. Now let us find out the distance between. First of all, let us know the Golpara. Where is Golpara? Is it here? Isn't it? Can you see Golpara? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So can you see Golpara?
Yes, sir.
So I have encircled that Golpara. And what is the distance between New Jalpaiguri to Golpara?
Jalpaiguri,
Golpara.
Gulpura.
It is 366
It is 366 kilometers.
kilometers. So it is all way from New Jalpaiguri to Golpara. And the distance between New Jalpaiguri to Alipurdwar, it is Alipurdwar is here. So what is the distance?
The distance is 175 kilometers.
75 kilometers. Okay. So let us find the distance between Alipurdwar and the Golpara now. So what shall we do now?
We shall subtract it.
Okay, we have to subtract it. Okay. So which number we have to subtract from and which number?
175.
Okay, 175.
Big number. 366 minus
Okay. 366 minus.
175.
Okay, that's great. Good. So you got the point now. How to find the distance between 2 points if we are given the end and the initial points. Okay. All right. So find the answer quickly and then we will find up the class.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
6 minus 5 is 1 and 6 minus 7 I cannot remove that, and I will borrow 1 from here and it will be 16. 16 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. I have to put 11 and put 1 here.
We have to subtract 7 from 16.
And 16 minus 7
Okay.
is 11.
No,
I have
16 minus 7 is not 11. Count it once again.
Okay, sir.
Substitution super good. Come on, very good. Come on, come on, pull up. Pull. Come on, pull.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 minus
Come on.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, sir.
Okay,
It's
good.
9.
This 9. All right. Then,
Yes, sir. I got the answer, sir.
okay, so what is the answer?
191.
Okay, good. So 191 kilometers is the distance between which two stations?
Okay, sir.
All right. Okay, any
Okay,
doubts?
sir.
So in the next class, we'll be doing some few more questions on this
Okay, sir.
multiplication and subtraction of the complex problems, real world problems. Okay. And then
Okay, sir.
we will move on to some higher concepts of fractions, decimals, parts, wholes. Okay. So that is a third class concept, the concept of the third class. We have moved into the third class, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because
No,
we
sir.
started.
No, sir. I'm moving, sir, now.
Yes, yes. Okay. So you are
I'm
going
just coming to third class.
third class, sorry, third class, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Okay.
Super rocket. Logic. మనం మళ్ళీ పురాణంగా స్మైల్ డైలీ నా స్కూల్లో కదా మనం సార్ హౌ మెనీ